Hi guys, welcome back to Blessed Little Nest. Today I am going to show you how I turned this little table into my now coffee table. First I started sanding the top down with an 80 grit sandpaper using my DeWalt sander. I did not touch the sides just yet because I'm going to paint that and I'm going to leave the top that bare wood. Overall, I'd say it took me about an hour and a half to sand down the entire top. I did take a few little breaks there and here. Next, I took my 120 grit sandpaper and sanded down the top with the 120 so it's not as rough. Once I was done sanding, I brought it into the house to paint, and first I wanted to scuff it all down, make it nice and rough so that the paint sticks to it. So all I did was just use a sanding block, scuffed it, and then it was ready for painting. I'm using Little Black Dress from Home Depot. This paint is amazing. I love using it on all my projects. It just dries this nice black color. So I'm starting my first layer right now. I'm gonna do 2 layers, one thin one. I'm gonna go over it one more time after this. I let it sit about 25 minutes, let the first layer dry, and then I started on my second layer. Once the second layer was nice and dry, I flipped it over, and I'm gonna be using this steel wool pad. I believe it's 00, just to sand down the top and make it nice and smooth. Next, I'm using my bare wax decorative finish on top, and I'm going to use this little soft pad, dip it in, and just wax it on. This wax also serves as a sealer, so you want to make sure that you get a nice good layer on top. I went over the entire table just to make sure that I'm not missing any spots. You want to make sure that it's on nice and even. And it's finished. Now I just let it sit for about 48 hours before using, just so that the paint and the wax can settle in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and have a very blessed day. Thank you.